under Article 300 ng Code of Civil Procedure ng State of Timor-Leste, ay may 30 days po kami from the time of notification, meaning yesterday we were notified, may 30 days po kami from yesterday with the first day excluded and the last day included sa pagkwenta nung 30 days. So that should be kung bibilangin niyo ng starting today 28. So kung 28 din ba ng July, tama ba ako? 30 days from today. So that is the time within which we can write and file an appeal before the Supreme Court.
Sir, dun sa asylum, paano po yung mangyayari dito?
According to the Timor-Leste lawyers, the process is still ongoing, and that there is a principle in their law that says that if there is a pending political asylum application, notwithstanding any extradition request, a person cannot be extradited because it would render the application for political asylum moot and academic. So that is another remedy that we are pursuing. DOJ should not gloat at this point kasi yung sasabihin nilang we have won, this is just the first step. Kung baga sa boxing, first or second round pa ito in a 15-rounder na championship bout. So marami pang pagdadaanan. Even if they do succeed in extraditing Mr. Teves, we still have to go through the judicial process of the prosecution proving his guilt. At palagay ko mahihirapan silang gawin yan dahil nag-recant na yung kanilang mga witnesses. May mga tao na nag-grant ng bail na co-accused ni Congressman Teves because the evidence is weak, at meron na nga pong napalaya sa legal possession of explosives case kasi yung mga tinanim nilang mga ebidensya ng mga granada na explosives di umano ay puro dud, hindi pala pumuputok. So pinapalaya po pero hindi nila sinasabi yon sa publiko.